Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Mac is updated and Mail is the current app build. Once done, gather the email address, password, and server info. IMAP is preferred for syncing. You'll open Mail and choose Add Account. If your provider appears, select it. If not, pick Other Mail account. Enter credentials and continue. The app will attempt automatic setup. If it finds settings, approve them. This gets you into the real configuration quickly, so you can proceed. Next, you configure the account details and behaviors. Pick a map for multi-device sync. POP only if you need local retrieval. Enter incoming/outgoing server names, ports, and enable SSL or TLS as required. Then map mailbox behavior so drafts, sent, and trash save to the server, not just locally, so messages appear across devices. Once that's set, adjust notifications, VIP senders, and conversation, threading so mail surfaces import. To finish, let Mail sync fully and observe the status. New folders should populate and messages download. If syncing stalls or authentication errors appear, re-enter your password and inspect keychain for stale credentials. Make sure the SMTP host matches provider requirements. Use Mail's Connection Doctor to get diagnostic details. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account after backing up local folders. That often clears corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: check two-factor authentication. Generate an app-specific password if your provider requires it, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.